Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to solve a common problem many of you might face when using Google Chat. How to unhide conversations. Whether you're using Google Chat on your desktop or mobile, this quick tip will help you get those hidden conversations back in no time. To unhide a conversation in Google Chat, follow these simple steps. On desktop, open Google Chat in your web browser. You can access it directly at chat.google.com or through Gmail. Once you are logged in, locate the search bar at the top labeled Find Peoples and Rooms. Type the name of the person or the chat you want to unhide. As you type, Google Chat will show you a list of matching conversations. Click on the one you want to unhide. On mobile phone, open the Google Chat app on your mobile device. Tap the search icon at the top right corner and enter the name of the chat or person you want to unhide. Select the conversation from the search result to open it. Once you open the conversation, it will automatically reappear in your chat list, making it easily accessible again. And that is it. Unhiding conversation in Google Chat is straightforward and helps keep your chat list organized. If you found this video helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe for more tech tips and problem solving videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.